Hey guys, just doing a quick video on how to take off the heatsink in the Dell Dimension 1100. Fellow YouTube users having a bit of trouble, so if anyone's interested in how this is done, stick around. Now, the way these were made, there's a big block heatsink on here, and then there's a green chute that went from the back fan over the top of this, so then the air would drag through the heatsink. Now I've done a little bit of modding and hung a fan here just because then general system airflow is a bit better. But in terms of taking the actual heatsink off, it's pretty much the same thing. Now, as you can see, there is a little green, green clip runs along here. There is black heatsink holder thing that goes all the way around the heatsink. And there's another green clip normally on the other side, but it's not there at the moment because after a couple of removals of the heatsink, it wouldn't clip back on properly, so I didn't put it on. But the way to unclip these, which is what the main problem is it's in pretty fast, it won't come out. If you try and lift it, it won't come. You have to pull this back like a spring really hard, and it will pop out. See, it's clipped in. If you have it really far back, and it will just pop out, and you can just lift it, and out it comes. That's all it is. So if you have a look at the mechanism, I'll do this thing. Pull right, pull back, and it should come out. You do that on both sides, and then if you have a look down there, you see this, the heatsink, that metal bit's heatsink, this plastic bit has a little lip on it on both sides. Gotta pull that. It's a little hard to do with one hand, but you hang on. Okay, I had to change cameras so I can put one on a tripod, so the quality might be a bit less, but this is how you do it pretty much. Put your finger down on it, pull it out, lift this up, it will just pop off. Then you have access to your heatsink, your CPU. Yeah, and then pretty much do the reverse flip back on, put it in, clip it on, and then you can put the clips back in. So, hope that helps, mate. See you guys later.